Your kitchen should be more than functional. It should be the heart of your home. At Precise Building and Restoration, we've been transforming Los Angeles kitchens into stunning spaces that homeowners actually want to spend time in. We're a family-owned company with over 35 years of experience, and we handle literally everything under one roof. No juggling multiple contractors or companies. We manage your permits, create custom CAD designs, coordinate with city departments, and build your dream kitchen from concept to completion. You get a dedicated project manager, regular updates with photos, and transparent pricing with zero hidden fees. We use premium materials, licensed craftsmen, and treat your home like it's our own. Plus, we offer free in-home estimates so you know exactly what you're getting into before committing. Ready to create the kitchen you've been dreaming about? Call Precise Building and Restoration or visit PreciseGroupLA.com. Your dream kitchen is closer than you think.